Would you believe this beautiful organizer started as a simple Dollar Tree makeup bag? Today I'm giving it a high-end makeover that's perfect for back to school, college, dorms, travel, or gifting. And it only cost me $1.25. Let's jump in. I was in Dollar Tree a few weeks ago and saw these beautiful organizers in the makeup section. And I thought this was such a cool idea. So if you're a mom with a young daughter, this is a perfect gift to give them, especially if they're going away to college, something to carry all of their makeup in. And if you're not a mom with a child going to college and you are a DIY person and you're on the go, you just toss all of your craft supplies, your glue gun, your paints, all of those into this beautiful organizer. I just removed the insert and I'm going to press out the creases, because if you notice that it's kind of folded a little bit based on how it was collapsed. Took out the inside and I'm using my little heat press to press the folds out because we don't want it to look so crushed. And then all I'm going to do with this, you can go crazy. I mean, you can do as many things as you like with this little bag, but all I am going to do is just to press on a heat press. So I place my little folding mat in the inside, and that's just to give me a buffer when I'm putting that on. Is this your first time here? Welcome to the family. I am so happy that you joined me here today. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you so much. And here is my iron on. It says Faith. Placed it down on the surface, then place a Teflon sheet over that. Use my mini heat press and press that on. And this, I believe I got this from Amazon. I believe so. I don't quite remember. But this is a cold peel, meaning it peels off as it cools. And then I just burnish that with the same carrier sheet, remove the mat from the inside, and I'm just straightening that out. And I made 2 of them. You're gifting this to your daughter, organizing your bathroom, or creating personalized gifts, this simple makeover is one you'll want to try. Now on this channel we read the scriptures. This is Hebrews 11 verse 6. And without faith it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who earnestly seek him. Now there it is, my friend. Quick and easy makeup organizer, storage, craft bag, whatever you choose to make this as. Now let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below, and whether or not you would do something like this. Looking for easy Dollar Tree DIYs that are beautiful and functional? Check out this video right here. Or to binge watch more budget friendly content, I recommend this playlist. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.